Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Summer or not, traditional fresh Mexican salsa will come in handy for any occasion. We will start by putting 3 to 4 large, roughly chopped, firm organic tomatoes in a blender. You can de-seed them if you want your salsa less watery. Add lime juice freshly squeezed from 1 whole lime. Add a handful of coriander. Half a yellow onion and 1 clove garlic. Half a teaspoon toasted cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon freshly milled pepper, and 1 small sliced jalapeno pepper. Pause blend a few times until it becomes nicely combined together and has a coarse, chunky-ish consistency. We prefer not to blend it too smooth, we want something to bite and chew on. Now, refrigerate it for at least an hour, which you can use to bake seasoned tortilla chips according to a recipe, which you will find up on the screen or in the description below. You can also add a fresh chunky guacamole, for which you will find the recipe up on the screen as well. And here we are! Enjoy a full-on Mexican-style evening with your friends or family. Thank you for following along this quick and simple Mexican salsa recipe. We hope it will bring a lot of healthy freshness to your snacking sessions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care and see you next time.